Hey family, Tanya here. I'm on site here. I'm working on a move out clean, and this is the life of a personal concierge. Sometimes we get hired to clean out people that are moving out, people that are passed on, and like their family members will hire me to declutter their house and actually clean it. So today, this is day 3 of I'm going through the closets and getting rid of stuff, and we're going to donate things. Most of the cleaning has been done, but I may have to go back around and touch things up. So I've already pretty much cleaned out this closet here, and I'm bagging it up. And yeah, so this is what Miss Tanya does when I'm not on YouTube, when I'm not cooking. Sometimes I'll get hired to cook, sometimes clean, sometimes both. All right, so this is what's going on. This is the outfit of the day. Wearing a hoodie. You have to dress to move around, to bend around. Just a little cotton top. I have some stretch denim jeans on, a hat. Always wear gloves. Always wear gloves. When I'm purging, I always use some contractor bags. And ladies, if you're working alone, you always have your keys with you. That's why you always see me with like a lanyard. You always have your keys with you, or maybe some pepper spray. Always have something to protect yourself. Have your phone handy. All right, so you just never know. Okay, guys, so I just cleared out that closet there. I'm on location, so I don't have like my best camera. So this is the best way I can show you guys. So just bag things up and vacuum out the closet and then move on to the next room. And I got a lot of stuff. Got a lot of work ahead of me. So I get questions about, what do I do? Because I said I had a concierge service, and this is what it is. I take on cleaning. I like to clean and organize. I take on those type of jobs, and I also, do meal prep. And then I do personal shopping as well. So this is the day in the life of a personal concierge. Okay guys, I'm on to the next room. We do the same thing, get all the debris out the closets. That's the chore for today. Get everything bagged and tagged and donated and all that good stuff. What needs to be thrown away gets thrown away. What's good can be donated. Like, you see these bags back there? All right, those are going to the donation bin. All right, so just keep you up to date. Okay guys, now as a personal concierge, you don't have to do everything yourself. You can contract people. You get a network of people. Like you get someone that's good at doing carpet. You get someone that's painting. Hubby's painting right now. He's going through all the closets. He's been doing all the touch-up paint and everything. You decide what you want to do. I don't mind doing the decluttering and the cleaning of the bathrooms and stuff like that. You get someone that can paint. You get someone else that can clean. You get a moving company. You get a junk removal company. You can contract that stuff out. If people contact you, because you have a network of professionals, okay? And you get someone that needs, if you have a client that needs some lawn work, you know, you contract that out, okay? And then you get your fee, you charge for your contractors. You know, it's all good. It's easy. That's, you know, that's if you're into that type of thing. This is, people ask me, what did I do? And this is what I do. Okay, guys, I'm in my third room, and the chore of the day is just to go through I'm in the office, and we're just going through cleaning out the drawers, you know, sorting through what can stay and what can be donated and what needs to be thrown away. Okay, so it's not bad. You know, we've worked on this for weeks. Just going through the drawers. Sometimes on some move out cleans, you know, family members may be out of town, they can't make it, they're not healthy enough, so they hire someone else to do it, you know. So, you know, these are some good staples. These can, you know, we can keep these, you know, use them in our office. And if there's something I think the family would want to keep, I'll just put that in a separate box or something, and they can decide. Sometimes they'll tell you just to trash everything, you know, use your discretion.